Okay, to install this one, this kind of double shaft for a pancake unit, once you remove it, you remove these mounts and then just remove one of these housings with these screws, and then I'll show you what's next. Okay, you get your screw in between this and you lift up, and then you unscrew these two to get the conduct put on the new one. To remove this housing, 94 screws. Unscrew all these 4. The housing is off, you pull it off. Now this got another 3 screws. These 3, remove these 3, and then the whole scroll cage should pop out with the shaft. Alright, and then to remove the scroll cage out of the shaft, you need a 532 Allen wrench. I believe it's standard, and it goes right there. There's already a hole pre-drilled, so whenever you install your new one, just line it up. If it's like this one, where it's full of dust and fuzz, you grab your pliers, hold the shaft, and then with your hand, twist the scroll cage with your hand and pull. Now that we removed the scroll cage and all that, the next one's much easier because we just take these 3 screws out. Scroll cage should slide out. Okay, so this is a new one. Make sure the specs are right before installing. This is the original one, which is a GE Motors aftermarket universal, 1/5 through 1/10. And this is a 1/4 horsepower, so this is universal. Double check the voltage. And then on these, the run cap's wired in, so you don't have to worry about that. And then you always, on the wiring situation, I like to always set it on high. So it's white and black. Those are the only 2 wires you'll need. You could cut this shorter and then just cap it off. Or you could just wire it in and then it'll cycle in between, but that's if you want. I wouldn't. Make sure your rotation's right as well. So your rotation is pointed this way. So this one, rotation this way. So when we took it out like this, right? So your rotation's going this way, so make sure your rotation's the same. Sometimes people get it messed up, and then instead of blowing in, it's blowing the opposite, and you don't want that. It's double the work. Fully mounted. That's it. That's how you wire it in.